Thank you for watching Lango News Channel.
But now, because of the divisions here in Busoga, you see Namgan is not here. I spoke to my young sister, Rebecca Kadaga. I said, are you going to the meeting?
Yeah, I will go to meeting.
Invited. Then I rang speaker.
Right Honorable Speaker Among.
I said, why did you not invite Rebecca?
Kadaga.
Then he said, no, all flag bearers were invited. Then, but I think Rebecca was saying, how, then I rang, you know, I am always like a mediator, going here, ringing here, ringing. I rang Rebecca again and said, you were invited as flag bearer. Said, how did they invite me? On the radio or what? Then when I got here, I said, how did you invite Kadaga? Now the chairman here, tell me what you told me.
Era wekitibwa president mukobye nsobe wekitibwa president tube tukolagana ni ba RDC tukolagana ni ba diso okuinforminga ba flaga bearer bona abali mu Busoga okuinforminga ba chairman abebyalo abemiruka okukobera ba chairman ba magombolola ni ba chairman ni ba flaga bearer ba district ni ba flaga bearer bona abemupi era ensonga yo sebo chairman wa NRM Mwami bazanya weka muli namukubira isimu era n'abantu abandi bamukubira isimu era yakakasa nti ajja kutuusa amawulire ku baflaga bearer bona okuvweka muli era seba abasinga bungi tulina bwana.
Kale, what I advise you
Owekitibwa president alituwa amagezi
that the poor people need unity among the leaders.
Abantu abaavu benda obwegayifu omulimu bakulembeze.
Because you are delaying their coming out of poverty by not working together.
Muli kulwisaawo abantu okusigala nga bali mu bwavu singa mbanga temulikoolaganira galala.
The ones who are suffering are the poor people.
Abali kusinga kubonaabona n'abaavu.
Because when the rich ones are quarreling, they are in cars, they are in good houses, they can afford to quarrel.
Abagayige bwe bali kuyomba bali mu motoka zaabwe bali mu mayumba era basobola okuyomba aye abaavu bali kubonaabona.
Every day you stay in poverty, somebody may even die because of poverty.
Omuntu asobola okuva ne mu nsi muno yafa olw'obwavu.
So please, I ask you, be abetowaze.
Owekitibwa president ali kutusaba mube bayikaikamu n'akagambo ke muli ak'obwetoowaze ng'abakulembeze.
That is humble. Humble is the word I'm looking for.
Era sebo n'ekyo ky'oyogera eky'obwetoowaze sebo.
Yes. If I was not umwetoowaze, I would not have managed the Uganda.
Owekitibwa president singa abaire timu wetoowaze bananga obuggalo n'akaluulu tiya akasoboire okubanga akatukulembera okutuuka saawa dino. Abanyankole
balina amagezi gaabo geira.
Balina amagezi ag'okuvweira. Omunyankole akukoba
nti bw'oba ofuluma kuva mu nyumba ku makya.
Bw'oba ofuluma ku munumba ku nkyo
toza amaaso emabega.
Toyiza amaiso einuma.
Bw'oyiza amaiso enyuma ogenda kusanga omukyala akola bw'ati.
Bw'oyiza amaiso einuma oyinza kwagaana omukyala ng'ali ku konkoonya mu nkoone.
Kati mu kifo ky'okugenda mu safaari.
Mu kifo ky'okujja mu safaari y'obaire oli kujja.
Ogenda kukoma wano mutandika kulwana.
Kabiri odda kuyira olwanagane n'onaali ku konkoonya ng'oli kufuluma.
Aye bw'oba tomubweyine si kyansonga oba akoze ki.
Bw'oba tomubweyine y'odda kujja bujje tomanya kukonkooniza einuma eno.
Don't have to temulina kutimba buli kantu koona kutimba. Muleke wacha wuyo.
Ti buli kantu kona koona nga muteekwa okwogera ku oba okabwe bireka ebyo bibitewo ojje mu maiso.
NRM oye!
NRM oye!
Omukere w'enkofira oye!
Omukare w'enkofira Yoweri Kaguta oye!
Busoga oye!
Busoga oye!
Uganda oye!
Uganda oye!
East Africa oye!
East Africa oye! Baba tukweyanziza. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.